Birds of Prey and the fantabulous emancipation of one Harley Quinn. What a title! This is exactly what Suicide Squad should have been, and it gives us a version of Gotham that is vibrant and fun while still being gritty and violent. This film is not for the faint-hearted. Now that Harley Quinn's no longer in a relationship with Mr. J, as pointed out by the opening scenes, it's open season on her, and it seems everybody wants some form of retribution. All sorts of shenanigans ensue, and Harley deals with all comers as only she can, violently and with plenty of glitter. This is a rip-roaring tour de force for female action films. It pulls no punches and showcases some excellently choreographed fight scenes, including some on roller skates, which was a treat to see. Birds of Prey is a much welcome addition to the wider DC extended universe, and I for one hope to see Margot Robbie as the titular Fantabulous Harley Quinn for years to come. This film gets a 9 out of 10 from me.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe to see all future content.